friends, your French Foreign Legion teacher is back. I am greeting you on my channel. Today I have new updates and informations all about the French Foreign Legion. The main topic is Article 7 of the Code d'honneur du Légionnaire. This is very important for you. But I will give answers to the frequent asked questions like Sir, I have poor eyesight. Is it possible to join? How does it work out with the new online registration form? And how can I join GCP and GCM? And last but not least, Sir, I have tattoos and scars. Can I join the Legion? Okay, stay in line. We will see us after the intro. Bye bye.
Oh, blow the man down, police, blow the man down.
In combat, you act without passion and without hate. You respect the defeated enemy and you never abandon your death, your wounded, your weapons. So, hello again. Let's come to the question and my answers first. How can I join GCP and GCM? I already answered to this question, but I will do it again, do it for you. Right. In fact, GCP stands for Groupement des Commandos Parachutistes, right? Before, the name of GCP was CRAP, Commando de Reconnaissance et Action dans la Profondeur. The GCP is a special forces team. They are working anti-terrorist, right? And they are all professionals, high professionals. And I think they are the toughest soldier of the French army. They are incorporated within the 2nd Rep, 2e Régiment étranger des parachutistes. And in the regiment, in the Rep, 2nd Rep, they are in the CA, Company Appui. What means? This is the Regimental Support Company, right? We have 2 teams of GCP within the regiment, within the CA. And each team has a strength of 10 men, right? And to be within the team, you have to be corporal first. What means you have to be 2 or 3 years already in the regiment, being corporal. And then, of course, you have to stand the test, the entry test for GCP. And the masterpiece of the entry test, GCP, is the 18.6 miles run. 18.6 miles run, what means 30 kilometers you ran with full gear, with full equipment and a backpack on your back with 11 kilos in it. And you have to do it within 4 hours. And this is the entry test for GCP. So it's not given to anybody, to everybody. So let's come to the GCM now. GCM stands for Groupe Commando de Montagne, right? Mountain Commando Group, right? And the GCM you can find, we only have one group, you can find it in the 2nd Reg, 2e Régiment étranger de génie. And this is a pioneer regiment. We have 2. We have the 1st Reg and we have the 2nd Reg. And within the 2nd Reg, 2e Régiment étranger de génie, you can find a Compagnie d'Appui. This is the Regimental Support Company. Compagnie Appui. And within this company, you find a section called RIO, Section de Reconnaissance Intervention Offensive. And within this section is a platoon. You can find one group of GCM. Yeah? And here's the same like GCP in the 2nd Rep. The entry tests are very, very tough. Very, very tough. Only the best are taken, and you need to be at least corporal, having maybe 2 or 3 years in the regiment. Also for the GCP and also for the GCM. Tough men, really tough men. And now, how can I join GCP and GCM? How can I be selected? It's easy. Firstly, you have to join the French Foreign Legion. And you know better than I do that only 1 out of 10 is taken. So it's not easy to come to be selected in the French Foreign Legion. Then you have to do your class, boot camp in customary, 17 weeks training. And to be within the 2nd Rep and the 2e Reg, right? You have to be among the best of your class. among the best of your class. Then you can choose whether going to the second rep and joining maybe afterwards the GCP, or going to deuxième règle and joining afterwards the GCM. But when you are selected to go to one of the two regiments, in the regiment itself, you have to be in a combat company and you have to be among the best, right? You have to be among the best, and that's it. And then you have to ask for, when you are in the regiment, when you are among the best, you have to ask for it when you go to your captain, the commander-in-chief of the company, right? And you have to ask him directly. Mon capitaine, j'aimerais bien aller au GCP. J'aimerais bien servir au GCM. That's it. So with me, you can learn French in the same time. Okay, coming right straight away to the next question. So the next question is all about your tattoos and your scars. Let me tell you one thing. When you have tattoos and when you have scars, wherever on your body, this is absolutely no problem to join the French Foreign Legion. Okay? That's it. That's it. Try your best. Good luck. We will see us maybe in the French Foreign Legion. Bye-bye. So I'm coming directly to the recruiting process, to the actual updated recruiting process. The selection started as of the 11th of May, so 1 week ago. But I told you about the online registration form. You can fill it out. You have to send it to the French Foreign Legion. You can find the form in legion/recruit.com. legion/recruit.com. Yeah? But the problem is actually the French Foreign Legion needs a lot of applicants, but they are only invited, will only invite people who are on French soil, right? So your part is you have to come to France. You have to come to France, fill out and send the online registration form, and then when they see that you are on French soil, they will maybe send you an answer, an invitation, and that's it. If you are in India, somewhere in Sri Lanka or the United States, it's not worthy to send your online registration form. They will not invite you, okay? That's it. Sir, I have poor eyesight. Can I join the Legion? Yes, you can, my friend. I had friends in the second rep who even have been platoon leader wearing glasses, okay? But, there's only a but. You have to be fair with yourself. And you have to be fair with your comrades. Imagine, you join the French Foreign Legion, you join a fighting regiment, we have 6 of them, maybe joining the second rep. You go into combat with the second rep. Then, you take off your glasses in combat, and you can't see nothing, or the glasses are broken, and it's game over because you cannot see the enemy. This is not fair. It's not fair towards yourself, it's not fair towards your unit, and it's not fair towards your comrade. Because if you cannot help them out, because you cannot see anything, it's not fair. So if your eyesight is really poor, stay at home. This is my advice. Right? So, coming now to Article 7 of the Code of Honor du Légionnaire. Code d'honneur du Légionnaire, or Code of Honor. And this is the last article, and maybe it's maybe the most important. It's maybe the most important, because here you can see exactly the spirit of the French Foreign Legion. I say it one time in French language, because we are here also to learn French, from me. And then we will repeat it together. Au combat, tu agis sans passion et sans haine. Tu respectes l'ennemi vaincu. Tu n'abandonnes jamais ni tes morts, ni tes blessés, ni tes armes. Right? Let's repeat together. Au combat, tu agis sans passion et sans haine. Au combat, tu agis sans passion et sans haine. Tu respectes l'ennemi vaincu. Tu respectes l'ennemi vaincu. Tu n'abandonnes jamais ni tes morts, ni tes blessés, ni tes armes. Tu n'abandonnes jamais ni tes morts, ni tes blessés, ni tes armes. right? And now we are done. I teach you all the paragraphs and all the articles of the Code of Honor du Légionnaire, Code d'Honneur du Légionnaire. And I think the next clip we will do a resume of all articles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. All together in one row, right? So be prepared. I am waiting for you. Amitié Légionnaire, yours Thomas Gast.